Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the Precious Metalverse. Today, we're going to talk about Palladium. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and check out the sale on Into the Cryptoverse Premium at intothecryptoverse.com. Now, you're probably wondering, what fresh hell is this, and how did you find yourself in the Precious Metalverse? Well, I don't know exactly, but here we are. I've talked a little bit about Palladium in some like Twitter spaces and ITC Premium and whatnot, but this is, to me, this like whole thing has played out um in a way that seems familiar. Basically, the idea is you have all these highs that Palladium sets, right? You have all these highs, and then you sweep a high. You sweep the high. Then you get the pullback to the bull market support band. Now, we've gone through this setup for Ethereum, right? We've gone through this setup for Ethereum. Look at ETH. You have all these highs, right? You have these highs. You then finally sweep it. And then, I think, and look, Ethereum could have another push up before it drops, but I think you'll see it return to its 21-week EMA and then get another move up. But here's the thing. Palladium's already there, right? Palladium's already had the correction, right? It's already back down here. So that's what I look for a lot of times is, a run of the highs. This is obviously not all-time highs for Palladium, right? It's pretty low levels, but right, you run the high, the yearly high, false breakout, gotta make sure, right? Go back down, make sure, check in with the bull market support band. Check in with it. If it holds, where to next? Right? If it holds, which I think it probably will. Back up. So, I think that, and look, if you look at this wick on Palladium, I mean, look where I bottomed. Look at that wick. Right to the 20-week moving average. Right there. Right to the 20-week moving average. This is another pattern we've seen in some other indices as well. Actually, if you go look at the Chinese markets, you'll see what I'm talking about. How you'll have sort of like these highs, and then, sorry, you have these highs right here, and then it swept the high, gets a pullback to the bull market support band, and look, it did go a little bit below it. So be aware, maybe Palladium does that. But then look what happened, right? Then a bigger move up, another drop, and then another bigger move up. To me, it looks like Palladium is following that same blueprint, right? So, also, I mean, if you just look at the chart, right, it really does seem like it's built out a pretty strong base over here. So, I think this is going to start going up. Look for it to maybe consolidate a little bit more down here, but I think within a few months, remember, this is not crypto, okay? So don't come at me in a day or two and be like, oh, why is it not moving yet, right? This is precious metals. It's more exciting to watch paint dry or to listen to me talk than to watch these price movements. But in a few months, I think that you'll see Palladium bouncing and likely heading higher. We're going to keep this one short and sweet. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. And again, check out the sale on Into the Cryptoverse Premium at intothecryptoverse.com. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.